Before cleaning the filter on your washing machine, power the washing machine down and unplug it. Lay some old towels down on the floor in front of the machine, in case any water leaks out when you remove the filter. If you have a front-loading or older top-loading washer, the filter is usually located in the lower right corner of the machine. However, many new top-loading models have a filter inside the machine, underneath the agitator. Once you locate the filter, take the cover off. You may need to pry it off with a screwdriver. Then grab the handle on the filter and pull it out. Wipe any excess lint and residue off of the filter with a paper towel. Then remove the screen from the filter and soak it in hot water for 10 minutes. Look inside the washing machine for any loose lint and wipe it out before sliding the filter back into place and replacing the cover. Run the washing machine on a regular cycle without any laundry in it and check for leaks to make sure that you put the filter back in correctly.